Tracy says Tracy McElfresh. I got new fabric in the mail and I'm really excited to see what it looks like. Let me mute this. There we go. All right, so I designed this fabric on Swimflower from one of my block prints, and I really just want to see what it looks like. Should be a black stretch knit with a sky and stars. Yep, it came out pretty black. Their black used to come out kind of weird, and now I think it might need to be washed, but you can definitely tell it was a block print. So you've got the moon and the trees and the woods. It's supposed to be Hocking Hills. It is the organic knit. It doesn't really have a lot of stretch to it, so it's probably not going to work for what I thought it would, unless I want to put a zipper in. It's actually pretty thick and it smells like paint, so I don't even know that that would be 10% stretch. Barely any stretch, much more structured. So we'll see what I make with it, but this is pretty cool. Well, that's it. Tracy says Tracy McElfresh. Thanks for watching. Bye.